कोई है?
Good morning, sir. I am Indra Bonik, Executive Engineer, RD, Telemura and Fire Division.
Good morning, sir. My name is Abhijit Das, BDO Fire Division. Good morning, sir. My name is Manas Murasi, Local Government Officer.
I came here to just interact with district officials regarding the developmental programs, what is going on. Because central government, it is taking lot of interest for upliftment of the poor and downtrodden. So in that regard, what is happening, just in fact, the officers are quite good, and particularly they have taken initiative for eradicating child marriages. I am very happy knowing that project. Thank you.